You are at the hospital. Administration is right here.
I'm going
Get
to
in
the
there.
emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where-
Get out of my car now.
Where is my
Get out
destination?
of my car now.
Sir, I'm
Get
asking you.
out of my car now. I have the right to tell you when to get out of my car. It's right now.
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination. If you will kindly point at where I am
pulled
supposed
into
to
your
go.
destination. It said here I was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now.
It said
Get
1760.
out of my car now.
Sir, it said.
Get out of my car now.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking get out of my car.
But you're not to yell at me. You are not to yell at me.
9-1.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Get out of my car.
Where is my destination?
Get out of my car.
Sir, can you just tell
Get
me?
out of my goddamn car now.
Sir, can you please tell me where my destination is?
I don't give a shit. Get out of the car now.
Can you please tell me where my destination is?
Now. The ride is over. You have been extremely rude, extremely condescending this
How
whole
have
trip.
I been extremely rude?
You kept me waiting way too long. You showed up and told me you were in a hurry when you showed no actual effort to be in a hurry. Get out of my car now.
I am just
Get out
asking
of
you.
my car now.
I don't know where I am.
Get out of my car now. God damn you to hell.
Sir,
Get out of my car.
I am
Get
asking
out
you.
of my car. It is my fucking goddamn property. Get out now. Now.
You are facing
Get
very.
out right fucking now.
You are facing
Get
a very,
out of my car. I'm facing a fucking moron. Get out. Now.
You're facing.
Now.
You have no right to scream at me.
I will fucking talk to you any goddamn way I want.
Really?
Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right.
Have the right to scream at me?
Get out of my car!
You have the right to scream at me.
I have asked you to leave my car multiple times.
And
Get
I
out of my
am
car.
asking you in a
Get out
very
of my
educated
car.
manner, where am I?
You're at a hospital where
Where-
you need to be. Get out of my car!
Where is the emergency room?
Can you get her out of my car, please?